should show these guys. I don't know how to vlog, so try not to fall asleep really. I survived. I went on 2 runs yesterday. But I completely forgot to record. So I'm just at the Airbnb right now. Still is not dry out. The situation for the Airbnb is not the most ideal. I mean, it works, but this whole driveway situation, I haven't really shown all of it. It's really cooked the bottom side of my front lip, but it's whatever. It is whatever. I'm not too worried about it, but goddamn, I don't want to drive up here again. That's the friend that I was meeting up with is right there. Maddie's BRZ, very cool guy. This S2K is pretty sick. CE 28s, AP Racing, the car I'm using. That is sick. God damn. Hard top, paint matched. Pretty cool. That's probably the cleanest car I've seen so far. Pin.
And a what?
And a pin. Oh yeah, I guess I should show these guys. I don't know how to vlog, so we're getting there. We're getting there. But yeah, a pin for $5. That's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
This guy parked beside me. Pretty cool. Or I was like, this MR2 is pretty sick. Ooh. Is that a Accord wagon?
It's a Galant wagon.
Or a Galant? I think it's sick. I wish we got more wagons in the US.
I love that plate.
Like, this would just be better than an SUV.
It is?
And you get more space. And it looks cooler.
Legnum.
God damn! Very cool. 240. This is basically how I would do a 240. Essentially.
Are all the calibers like that?
We're on the Dragon right now. First run today, and we're just completely stopped. But yeah, so we're just driving back. We didn't even get a full run in. Fit coming through. this guy just has not been letting anyone pass, and like people on the sides are literally telling him, like they're pointing towards the pull-offs, and then he just won't go. And he has a family in there, and he also brake checked me at one point because I'm trying to tell him. I mean, most people get it at some point, but this guy sucks. There's like a whole line of people behind me because of this guy. He's just been slowing down everyone coming this way. I'm pretty sure the whole traffic is caught up now. It's just because of this guy. It's ridiculous. So, yep. we're done with the tail. I got a couple runs in, you guys will see the footage. So right now we're going to some place that apparently is like the highest point or something like that. We're kind of just cruising, so I'm just gonna show us just chilling. I think it's a nice scene. So we got Matt in front of us, George and Clark behind us. So 2 8.6s and 2 WRXs. Another thing, I kept going over or like around 240, which I don't think is overheating really with OW20, but I definitely need to switch to 5W30 at least when I'm coming up to the mountains, just so I'm able to like push up way higher than that and not really worry. Yeah, I got a fresh oil change of OW20, but I don't have an oil cooler, so if I'm just chilling in 6-7K RPM all the time in the tail, it's just rough. So yeah, I just gotta do that, or just get a dual oil radiator thing from Jackson Racing, or a HKS oil cooler or something like that. But yeah, it looks beautiful. I'm gonna switch hands. And something else. Oh, it's so cool. We're just cruising right now. Some pictures at the top. I don't know if I showed the top at all, but driving down now, they're gonna go back to the Airbnb and I'm gonna go back home. So probably another 4 or 5 hours drive back home. So this drive to get up here was probably close to an hour itself. So we'll see. I'm just gonna get some POV nighttime driving. So. I didn't have any issues at tail. Like, people I stayed with were cool, and also I didn't have any issues like wrecking or car issues or anything. I mean, this car, I've been driving it since 12 in the stopping, turning it off, letting it cool down, warming it up, pushing it, overheating it. Not really overheating, but you know, the car's been great. It has not skipped a beat. That's like the biggest thing why I probably wouldn't go boost, is because this thing is just feels like really bulletproof right now. That's like famous last words, but hopefully I get to keep this car forever. Because this thing is so cool, man. People don't appreciate it yet, but they will. Jump scare.